It's an honor to our ancestors to know that the descendants of the people who created the spirituals, and the spirituals are the official music for the state of South Carolina. The island that you are on right now is where the resolution indicated was the first place that spirituals were ever documented, ever written down, and then codified. So when you go around the world and you hear groups singing spirituals, know that those are Gullah Geechee songs, and it is the official music also of the Gullah Geechee Nation. But what has happened with much of our music is that it's gone around the world, and people have no idea who originated that music, who originated that sound. Now, if I did a song like, I know you want to leave me, but I refuse to let you go. If I have to beg and plead for your sympathy, I don't mind, cause it means that much to me. What would y'all say this next line? You darling, said please don't leave me. What you want? Right? All right. So, oh, Kwame really feeling that one. Don't beg like that, brother. It's all right. So now, if you heard that, and if y'all heard dancing in the streets, dancing in the streets, right? Where did them songs come from? Huh? The Motor Town? Motor City? No. There we go. South Carolina, the Gullah Geechee Nation, because behind the Motown sound was a group called the Funk Brothers. Part of the Funk Brothers was a legendary bassist that came from an island right next door to St. Helens, Eddystone Island. This man is now a part of our Gullah Geechee Hall of Fame. Gullah Geechee Anointed Spirit, James Jamerson. And we are honored to be able this year to pay musical tribute to the legendary James Jamerson. But before we do that, I want y'all to know South Carolina has not yet put James Jamerson in their Hall of Fame. With all of the music that he was behind and played on, that is going around the world and is still playing and is still making money for Motown and Barry Gordy, he has not been put in the South Carolina Hall of Fame. So we have a petition online. All of you who are Gullah Geechee Nation Facebook fans, if you have not been before, please become one. You will see that we repost and repost and repost the petition to get James Jamerson in the South Carolina Hall of Fame. If you are on Twitter, we are Gullah Geechee on Twitter. We want you to hashtag Gullah Geechee for the rest of this weekend in honor of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. But we can't say we appreciate one another and not honor the gifts that God has given us, birthed right here from our own soil. Remember I said, we be Gullah Geechee Black Gold. So when we honor James Jamerson some years back in Charleston, South Carolina, when the festival went there, we had a relative of his that I want to bring to the stage. He was there that day to receive the award. And he's going to come forward today and let you know about James Jamerson Days that we're going to be celebrating September the 21st this year. That's when we're going to want y'all out there dancing in the streets. And we're going to dance whether South Carolina get good sense or not. We're putting him in the Hall of Fame. But when the Mayor Riley of Charleston, South Carolina, declared James Jamerson Days, we said there's a step in the right direction. But he did it after he became part of our Hall of Fame. We said, well, we're going to keep the drum going. We're going to keep the bass licks hitting so that James's name will never be forgotten. So Brother Ant, come on up, y'all. Because Brother Anthony McKnight has started a movement to start up a scholarship in the name of James Jamerson.
Yes, sir.
So that we will continue the musical legacy here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And all of you who have envelopes, some of y'all using them for fan with, please make sure there's a white form in that envelope that says Gullah Geechee Nation supporter. Please do not leave here without filling out that form and turning it into one of the staff members. That's the way that we will continue to let you know about these kind of activities James Jamerson Day, when South Carolina puts him in the Hall of Fame. Y'all heard what I said? When South Carolina puts him in the Hall of Fame, y'all will know, and that way y'all can come on down with we and dance on in the streets. I want to welcome to the stage once again at the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, my brother from right across the water, Anthony McKnight.
Yeah!
Good evening.
Good evening.
How's everybody doing?
All right.
All right. That's a nice little crowd, and I like it already. Now, the last time Queen and I got together for the Gullah Geechee Nation in Charleston, you know, it really moved me. And I was a part of that to receive the award for James. And I told her, the next time you do something, let me know. I'll be there, you know. So I'm a little late, but I'm here. And I try to stay a man of my word. But to give you a little inside information about James. James and I, a lot of people always get this twisted because they call James my uncle. James and I are first cousins. And the reason James and I were so close, that when James' mom's, when she moved to Detroit to find work, like we all did back in the day, she left her kids home with my mom. And she later raised James and her brother and his brother Richard. My mom not only raised James, she also raised Mayor Joe Riley too. You know, so when I went to talk to him about James Jamerson days, I didn't go in there with a race card. I went with a mama card. You know? Yeah, you gotta tell mama. I mean, and I showed him this book. This is the book that was written on James. It's called Standing in the Shadows of Motown, the legendary music of James Jamerson. James is right from South Carolina, and he's from Edisto Island, and also part way from Charleston. But let me read a couple of stuff that you don't know that James has already done. In 1989, this book came out. In 1999, James got a bust on the Hollywood Rock Walk. In 2000, Standing in the Shadows of Motown, the movie came out. 2002, that movie garnered them 2 Grammy Awards, 2 Grammy Lifetime Achievement Awards. In 2003, we had a 2-day celebration at Avery Institute down in Charleston. 2007, he was inducted into the Musicians Hall of Fame that just opened up in Tennessee, in Memphis. 2008, he received the Gullah Geechee Nation Anointed Spirit Award. I have 2 petitions online. If you want to join the petition, all you got to do is just Google James Jamerson online petition. Bring it right up, and then, as Cleen said, it's all posted on Facebook. All you got to do is click on that link, it'll take you right there. So now, with all that being said, and all that has been done, I'm part there. I'm also an artist. I work for the company called Oceanfront Productions, and I had a group called the Black Velvets. I don't know if anybody heard of us or not. But then, but then I went on my own now, and I'm also the guy. If any of you ever listen to Frankie the Big Bopper? Y'all ever hear Frankie the Big Bopper? Yeah, okay. I'm the guy that does his theme song. So with all that being said, I also got a brand new single called It's Cool to Fall in Love. But we're gonna do a little bit. We'll do a little bit of that for you.
Right in the audience, y'all. He's singing a hard night me, y'all. Don't tweet that. Don't tweet that.
But right now, I'm gonna try to do a little bit of stuff that Jamerson did, along with the Temps. Now you gotta remember, the Funk Brothers, they have played on more #1 hits than the Beatles, the Beach Boys, the Rolling Stones, Elvis Presley combined, and that's a fact. You can go look that up. I mean, these people that's played on more #1 hits than all of these people combined. Now you think about it, that's a lot of hits. That's a lot of hits. But Jamerson is right here from South Carolina. Mr. Kwame, if you're ready, sir.
Yep.
A little bit of Jamerson for you all.
Come on.
That's James Jamerson right there. You recognize that? And y'all can sing along now. Don't be shy. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the mother man, yeah. I guess you say what can make me feel this way is my girl. Talking about my girl. talking about my girl. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day with my girl. I've even got the month of May with my girl. Talking about my girl. Ooh, my girl. That's all they can talk about my girl.
Yeah.
Thank you. I know you wanna leave me, but I refuse to let you go. If I have to beg and plead for your sympathy, I don't mind, 'cause you mean that much to me. Ain't too proud to beg, sweet darling, please don't leave me, girl, you know. Ain't too proud to please, baby, baby, please don't leave me, girl, you know. Now I've heard a crying man that's half a man with no sense of pride. But if I have to cry to keep you, I don't mind weeping if it'll keep you by my side. Ain't too proud to beg, sweet darling, please don't leave me, girl, you know. Ain't too proud to please, baby, baby, please don't leave me, girl, you know. If I have to sleep on your doorstep all night and day just to keep you from walking away, let your friends laugh, even this I can stand, 'cause I wanna keep you any way I can. Ain't too proud to beg, you know it. Please don't leave me, girl, you know.
Come on.
Ain't too proud to please, baby, baby, please don't leave me, girl, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Now I got a love so deep in the pit of my heart, and each day it grows more and more. I'm not ashamed to come and plead to you, baby. If bleeding keeps you from walking out that door, ain't too proud to beg, and you know it. Please don't leave me, girl. Ain't too proud to plead, baby, baby. Please don't leave me, girl. Baby, 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 sweet darling, please don't leave me, girl. All right, thank you.
We also want to thank our folks that have come out today and worked so hard to do all this your work. All our sponsors, All Mobile Productions. Give the crew a round of applause, please, y'all. All of the staff of Gullah Geechee TV, y'all see Kuma over there shooting for Gullah Geechee TV. We got Africa TV 1 in the house also. We want to thank the numerous media. The list is too long for all the media that actually promoted this event. So we just gonna thank them. We're gonna be tweeting about them and everything online. Again, hashtag Gullah Geechee. We are Gullah Geechee folks, or at Gullah Geechee on Twitter. We're Gullah Geechee Nation online, and we are also GullahGeecheeNation.com is our blog. We want to thank the Gullah Geechee Angel Network, the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition, the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Committee of Northeast Florida, because under God, those are our sponsors every year, along with All Mobile Productions. And so we are so thankful that they are here, and for all the support, and for all 100 children who come out here and taught them not robbery for spending the day with we. We're so glad that 100 children. Now, I know he can't say any words. I usually pull him on stage, but he's working right now. But please give the co-founder of the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival in the green shirt, Brother Kwame Shaw, a round of applause. We also want to thank MUSC, who has been here all day providing information to the community about lupus, and we're doing some different community work with them to help heal our people in a number of things. Dealing with also seafood safety is something that we're working on with the Gullah Geechee Sustainability Think Tank, who who's also supporting this event, and also the CISA group. And those are those tents that you see on the walkway. So as you go inside, see her waving in the purple. That's my girl. That's right, girl. Get it. Yes, get it. There we go. So make sure that you stop by there, get information. We want people to sign up and be a part of something we call Kokoras. So the tent that's next to her, you'll find information from the CISA group about being part of Kokoras, which is just having a rain gauge, documenting the rain and the drought. Because without the rain, our seafood also is not safe. And for many of you who got here late, and for some reason, if you don't know who I am, I'm Queen Quet, Chiefess and Head of State for the Gullah Geechee Nation. I'm also the co-founder of this festival and the founder of the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition. This year, they're home island. So when my mama learned me say, charity begin at home and then going abroad. When this year festival was founded in 2005, we start them right here. So we second septenary. We going into the next one. We have to come back again. And when God tell we for come someplace, that's where we going. Next year, we gonna be in Charleston. So in that envelope, you already got the flyer for next year. We go in Charleston and the Strand. For those who ain't from here, that's Myrtle Beach. All right? So we'll be having a whole series of things and opportunity to actually be a part of a journey. And that is what this festival is about every year. We go to different parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation, different parts of the African diaspora to relink our diaspora so that our circle is never broken. We can't have no evolutionary soul and the people don't want to move, right, brother? How you can evolve if you don't move? Evolution requires moving and changing, right, brothers? I don't think they're ready, though. They don't act like they're ready for that. Y'all think we can get them out? Y'all think we can get them going? Y'all sure? All right, in this hour, if y'all ready for some evolutionary, if y'all ready for some evolutionary, if y'all ready for some evolutionary soul power, soul power, soul power, soul power. Come on, y'all. Soul power, soul power, soul power. It's your power, soul power, soul power. Yes, they're coming by way of galactical stardust in droves, in golden robes. Yes, they are engulfed in crowns and heavenly sounds of light. They're sailing through astral flight with spiritual insights. I can see them on the cosmic horizon. They're coming to awaken and arising, the sleeping giant within. They're descending the gates of heaven with breastplates of righteousness on their chests, with staffs and sheaths, headgear, heart gear, divine love and no fear. Yeah, that's right. See, the ancestors are here. Reality is seeking a living with technology, but divinely driven by my ancestry. My people's coming to deliver me. It's a highly spiritual arsenal to the right of this phenomenal. They're coming soon and it's the final call. It's time to sit around on the wall. Yes, they are here. Yes, they are here. No need to fear. The ancestors are here. Yeah.
about Bootsy Collins and George Clinton and Paul Funkadelic. But who I also think about when I think about the funk of the 70s is the Funk Brothers. Yeah, give them some love, y'all. Give the Funk Brothers some love. Yes. We're here celebrating Brother James Jamerson, one of the Funk Brothers. He was a bass player, you know, and he put the fun in funky. Yes. There's far too many of you crying. Brother, 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 there's far too many of you. You are dying. You know we've got to find a way to bring some love in here today. Yeah, yeah. Father, 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 we don't need to escalate, no. See, war is not the answer, for only love can conquer hate. Yes, you know we've got to find a way to bring some love in here today. Picket lines, picket lines. Punish me with brutality. Come on, talk to me, so we can see what's going on. Yeah, what's going on? Tell me what's going on. I'm telling you what's going on. Yeah, I'm still asking. Marvin was asking then, and we still asking what's going on. Mother, 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 everybody thinks we're wrong. Oh, but who are they to judge us? Yeah, simply because our hair is long. You know we got to find a way to bring some love in here today. There's no need to escalate. War is not the answer, for only love can conquer hate. You know we've got to find a way to bring some love in here today. So what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Tell me what's going on. I'll tell you what's going on. Yeah, yeah.
Let's see if I can get y'all to groove with this real quick. Kev, you want to come on up here with me, man? I know you ain't got your sticks, but yes. Come on, y'all, and see y'all in step. Let me take you to a place that I know, where a smooth groove will hit the floor. Oh, sharp as they come in the dough, and still wanna get in the door. The place where you know I go. When I wanna groove some more, come on, yo. You see I'm a step. Yeah, you see I'm there. Good as I get. You see I'm a step. Hey, 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 hey. That's the green. Gullah Geechee, no one.